And new at 6, the victim of a road rage shooting in Milwaukee says she was almost killed for honking her horn at a reckless driver.
What do you hope people learn from your situation?
Don't blow their horns at people if they blow their horns back. And if someone want to pass you in traffic, just, if your life is not endangered or whatever, just let them pass. Just let them go.
Katrina reached out to TMJ4 to share her warning to Milwaukee drivers and why the impact victims face goes beyond the physical injuries. Lighthouse reporter Ben Jordan reports.
From here to there, and this is actually where the bullet had entered my arm right here.
Doctors told this single mother of 4 mere inches were the difference between life and death.
I thought I was going to lose my life.
An x-ray shows the rod in Katrina Mills' arm, and if you look closely, bullet fragments still lodged inside her body. This photo shows where it entered on her driver's side window in the middle of the afternoon on September 11th.
Ordinary day, driving home from work. It was a detour. I took the detour and my life changed forever.
Katrina says it all started at 60th Street and Silver Spring when a driver tried to illegally pass her on the right and she honked her horn.
I just had a feeling that I had to get away because once I noticed they was following my car, I knew there was nothing good that was going to come from it.
Katrina says the driver tailgated her car for 2 miles until they caught a red light at Fond du Lac Avenue. That's when Katrina tells me the passenger pulled out a gun and fired 2 shots at her from just feet away.
Do you regret honking your horn?
Yes, I do regret honking my horn because maybe they was having a bad day. Not saying that I feel any sympathy or anything like that, but maybe if I hadn't blew my horn, they would have just kept driving by.
Katrina's struggles go beyond scars and broken bones. Since she can only lift 2 pounds with her left arm, Katrina says she hasn't been able to work, and now she's falling behind on her bills.
Everything just came down crumbling at one time for me.
The Milwaukee Police Department says we are seeking a known suspect, and charges were referred for a warrant. The Milwaukee County District Attorney's Office tells me this case is pending for further investigation at this time.
What would you say to this person who shot you?
You can't get away with shooting people over blowing horns. Like, that's ridiculous. I could have lost my life. My kids could have been without a mom, and it could have turned out really bad.
Katrina is urging others to think about her situation before honking at a reckless driver. Anyone with information about the suspect can call 414-224-TIPS. Reporting in Milwaukee, Ben Jordan, TMJ4 News.